Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is bacon wrapped mozzarella. This is a great snack that literally requires 2 ingredients, mozzarella and bacon. That's it. Great for parties, especially with the Super Bowl coming up. This is a really great party snack to make. It is high protein, high fat, perfect on the carnivore diet, and most importantly, delicious. All you're going to do is you want to take some mozzarella and cut it into sticks about this size. I just get one of those large blocks and cut it into the size that I need. And I also like to use thick cut bacon. Now you can use thin bacon, you can use center cut, whatever you want, but I really like the thick cut because I want to make sure there is a good amount of bacon on there to wrap around the cheese. Easiest thing you're going to do, you're gonna take your bacon, take your cheese, and literally just wrap it around. I like to do a little overlap to make sure that I don't have my cheese poking out on the sides. Just like that. Do that for as many mozzarella sticks that you're going to make. What I love about this snack is just how easy it is to make. If you are on a carnivore diet, you most likely have mozzarella at home. If you're eating cheese on your carnivore diet, I am. And you're gonna have bacon at home. I always have bacon in my fridge ready to go. And sometimes you just want something really quick and easy. This is that snack that you can make in under 5 minutes. I'm heating a nonstick pan on medium-high heat. And without any oil, once it's nice and hot, we are gonna place our bacon wrapped mozzarella in. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and also like this video while you're at it. My pan is nice and hot. I'm going to place my bacon wrapped mozzarella right onto the pan. Don't need to spray it with anything because our bacon has fat, obviously, so it doesn't need anything to not stick to the pan. We're gonna let this cook for about a minute. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite carnivore snack is. It's been about a minute. We are going to flip our bacon, let it cook on the other side. You can already see our bacon is getting nice and crispy. Our cheese is starting to melt. We are just gonna continue cooking this, flipping a minute at a time until it is nice and crispy, nice and ready, and our cheese is melted. As you can see, these are ready to go. I'm gonna take them out, place them on whatever dish you're gonna be using, and then we're gonna dig right into the taste test. And there you have it, really easy snack. Bacon wrapped mozzarella sticks. I mean, do I really have to explain why this is gonna taste amazing? Take a look at this. Oh, just can't wait to try it. Cheers, guys. I mean, you really can't go wrong with cheese and bacon. It's just such a great party snack, such a great snack at home, really quick and easy thing that you can make. I've made this in the air fryer before and it is also really good, but I like to be able to control the melt of the mozzarella on the pan, which is why I do it on the pan. It's really just as quick. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.